Have you ever wondered, what is building control and when do I need it? Stick around because I'm going to break it down for you. Let's get into it. What is building control? Well, it starts with the building regulations. These are legal minimum standards. The building regs are made up of a set of approved documents, with each topic having its own document. The regs are very technical, but are also very practical. You can view them for free at the planning portal, which I've linked in the description below. The building regs don't ensure compliance, meaning they don't guarantee that the work is perfect, and this is where building control come in. Building control surveyors, or in simple terms a building inspector, will review the drawings for compliance and conduct site inspections at different stages throughout the build. The main stages are foundations or excavations before you've poured concrete, oversight, so that's your floor slab and DPM, structure and roof, pre-plaster before you've fitted plasterboard, and final inspection, just to check that everything's completed and commissioned. Building control works in your favour. Whether you're a homeowner or a builder, the inspector will provide you guidance to help you meet compliance. Building control are there to assess work and make sure it meets minimum standards. Ultimately, once building control are happy, they'll issue a final certificate. You may think, why do I need that? But it's a legal document that proves that the work described in the certificate meets current regulations. You'll also need a final certificate when it comes to selling a property that's had work done to it, else you'll struggle to sell it without one. You can choose your building control provider. You have the option between local authority or an approved inspector. Check out my video where I explain the pros and cons for each. Let's talk about when you need building control. Working out when you need building control can be hard sometimes, but exactly when you need them is set out in Regulation 3 of the building regs. I've summarised it for you. Essentially, if you're undertaking work that involves the following, you'll need building control. Building an extension or a new house, alterations or refurbishment, underground drainage, new services or alterations to services, replacing windows or doors including their frames, any structural alterations, installing or replacing a heating system. When don't you need building control? As a general rule of thumb, you don't need it for repairs, replacement and maintenance work, or even a like-for-like replacement of a bathroom suite. Now you know what building control is and when you need it, you'll want to check out this video next. Don't forget to subscribe if you found my videos helpful. I should have put some puns in this video.